Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn email marketing for beginners. Email marketing is a powerful tool for building direct connections with your audience. It allows you to communicate personally, delivering messages right to their inbox. This method is incredibly cost-effective, often yielding a return on investment of $42 for every $1 spent. You can use it to promote new products, share exciting updates, or provide special offers to your loyal subscribers. Building your email list is the first crucial step. To encourage signups, offer something valuable in return, such as a free ebook, a helpful checklist, or a 25% discount on their first purchase. Place clear and inviting sign-up forms strategically on your website, blog, and social media profiles. Always remember to comply with data privacy regulations, ensuring your subscribers' information is handled with care and transparency. Once you have a list, crafting engaging emails is key. Your subject line is vital. It should be concise and intriguing to encourage opens. Personalize your content by addressing subscribers by name and tailoring messages to their interests, which can increase click-through rates by over 14%. Every email needs a clear call to action, guiding your audience on what to do next, whether it is to visit a page or make a purchase. Finally, measuring and optimizing your campaigns is essential for continuous improvement. Pay close attention to key metrics such as your open rate, click-through rate, and conversion rate. Conduct a/B tests on different subject lines, content, and calls to action to discover what resonates most effectively with your audience. Use these insights to refine your strategy, ensuring your email marketing efforts become more impactful over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.